How to fix WhatsApp Business sound problem. Welcome everybody, we will solve this problem. Now let's start. Open the settings of your device, click on your apps option and search for WhatsApp Business and click. Scroll these lists down, click on storage and click clear cache here. Just back after that, click add for stop and click OK. Come to Play Store or App Store and update WhatsApp Business. Restart here guys, your mobile phone, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.